Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use an analog to digital converter within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, you can see that simulide is our simulator and we have a search components bar on the upper left corner. So here we can search it out manually as well. So we can go down here and we can see that we have ADC here, that is analog to digital converter. So this is our analog to digital converter. Now it is of 8 bits, means that it can accept an analog signal and it will send us the digital value of that analog signal on the outputs, that is from D0 to D7. But we will go and we can change its bits to 4 because we want a 4-bit digital output. Means that whenever an analog signal used to come on the 0 pin, we will get an output, a digital output upon the basis of the value of the analog input signal. So we can go and we can take our LEDs. So this is our first LED. We need to connect it with that of D0, means that anode of the LED with the D0 pin. Then we will go and we will connect our second LED. And third one. This is fourth one, like this. So all the cathodes of all the LEDs are connected with each other and we have to connect all these with the ground as well. So this is the ground, like this. So we can connect it like this. So now we will apply an analog signal. So we will go and we will take our fixed voltage power supply. So this is our fixed voltage. So we can drag it out and we can connect it with the analog in 0 pin. Now we can run it out. We can see that we are having 0 0 0 and 0 logic on the LEDs. Now we will go, okay, this is 5 volt. Now simulation is running. Now we will on our supply. Now you can see that all of them are on. Okay, so what we need to do is we can double click on this analog to digital, fixed voltage power supply. We will go to millivolts, okay, and now we will change our, okay, now this is 0 millivolt. Now as soon as I will increase the millivolt, you will see that certain digital logics will appear on the LEDs. Means that first it will be just like a truth table, that is 0001, then 0010, then 0011, then 0100, like this. So now I'm increasing. The millivolts are now 55, 60, 67 and all these. We will see that upon specific voltages, that is upon a specific millivolts, our first LED will on. Now you can see that on 304 our first LED is on. And maybe on 600 it will be like 0110, okay. Okay, let me write like 550, and now we will increase it out. So it is actually 0001. The next will be 0010 from down. Okay, now you can see that up to 639 millivolts is 0010. Now next above 900 we will get 0011. Okay, above 900 or maybe 1000 millivolts we will get 0011. Now see, now you can see 0011. Now the next will be 0100. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 0 and 0. And we have to go like 1300. Now you can see that on 1300, 0100. And what about 5000 millivolts or 5 volt? It will be 1111. Like this. Okay, and like we will see on 4 volt, it may be certain other logic like this 1100. Okay, so in this way, and you must know the truth table. Okay, that is the for digital outputs, that is the truth table of digital logic design. So in this way we can convert our analog signal into the digital one. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can convert your analog signal into the digital one using analog to digital converter within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.